Let's use properties for combining functions within a chart. So first we have f minus g of 3, which really means we're going to take f of 3 and subtract g of 3. So I'm going to look at this chart and look at all the values for f of x, and I just want f of 3. So here's my f of 3 is 15 minus g of 3 is going to be a minus negative 21. So we have 15 minus negative 21. When you subtract a negative, they really end up adding. Or we can just use a calculator and we get 36. The next way we're going to combine functions is by adding g plus f of 0, which means I'm going to look at g of 0 on the chart and add f of 0 to it. So starting with the g function, I'm looking for g of 0, which is negative 3, and I'm going to add to that f of 0, which is also negative 3. So adding negative 3 plus negative 3 is going to give me negative 6. Lastly, we're going to do some multiplication. F times g of 4, so we're going to do f of 4 times g of 4. I'm going to look at that same chart and figure out what f of 4 is. F of 4 is 29 times g of 4 is negative 35. And I'm going to multiply a positive times a negative, so I'm going to get a negative number. And 29 times 35 is going to give me a negative 1,015. So there's how you can rewrite addition, subtraction, and multiplication when combining functions and identify the correct values on a chart to combine them correctly.